all about how to promote our own products. Of course they can take what they've learned and promote other products. But if someone comes into your site and you show them how to promote your products, it's like some kind of connection that just doesn't connect, that only works with your products. That's the mindset. And so what's happening is these people are coming in, they're signing up, so they get on my list. I now have an AR. I'm drawing horrible and big because it hurts to draw little. Sorry, guys. I now have an autoresponder that's full of affiliate marketers who want to learn more about affiliate marketing. I can keep sending them tips and telling them how to promote my products, and I'm basically training my affiliates. That's why I have trainyouraffiliates.com. Should have gotten trainmyaffiliates.com. But that's essentially what an affiliate hub does. With mine, you sign up, you come in, there's a little welcome video, shows you how to navigate the site. You can go here for all my 100% commission products, here for all of my regular products, go here for my high ticket items. Here's the current contests that are going, here's the next launch that's coming. It's basically like your affiliate headquarters. And is what I do in my with my Ashley Barnes persona is she has, and we're still building Ashley, she has niche-websites.com. That's her affiliate hub. And she has tons of different products that are going to be in there on several different niches. And that's what I teach my coaching students. No matter how many niches you have, you can take all of your niches and create an affiliate hub like this, and instead of driving traffic to 15 different products, all I'm doing is driving traffic to one page, training people to promote my products, and now I have an army of people promoting my products. This strategy right here is where I get all my traffic from. I shouldn't say all, most of my traffic from in the internet marketing niche. What's the URL? Trainyouraffiliates.com, and yours is Diedrich.
Marketing.com.
Diedrich ripped TomeOff.com.
I told you I was going to rip that off.
I know.
I'm like, this looks good.
Yeah.
I'm going to steal this.
There is a product out by Jimmy D. Brown called Affiliate Salesforce Secrets. I can't remember how much it is. I know it's like that $47 type product. Amazing product that covers this entire strategy. That's not where I got it from. This is something that just occurred to me one night, and I built it years ago. But Jimmy D. Brown does teach this. Affiliate Salesforce Secrets. And I may be giving you one of my domain names, but it's something like that. It's Jimmy D. Brown. I think it's Affiliate Salesforce Secrets. I have it in my car. It's awesome. We actually printed it out and put it in a binder, and my husband reads it constantly because he's now my affiliate manager. Okay, so any questions on okay, so I basically just told you guys my strategy for my niches. My affiliate strategy for internet marketing niche. Okay, product launches. Jeff just, or have you done the product launch thing yet?
That's coming up next, the one where I break down the $1 million launch.
Jeff's getting ready to show you guys all about product launches. Product launches are where we get our great big paydays. We have nice paydays a lot, but when you hit, $100,000, or if you're Frank Kern, $1 million in like 2 minutes, those are your big paydays when you do your product launches. This is a bread and butter model. Product launches are big payday model. Wouldn't you agree?
Definitely. You almost take your business every time you do a big launch, you just take it to the next level. Mm-hmm. So all of a sudden, if you're making $20,000 a month, you have a big launch. All of a sudden, you're making $25,000 or $30,000 a month. Then all of a sudden, you're making $35,000, $40,000 a month. It just keeps going up. Just because you become more known in the IM world, you get more affiliates in, you get more people pushing your products, you are getting more traffic, so then you're sending those to all your different sites, so you're creating more income yourself. Yeah, each time you ratchet up. And that's why sometimes you want to do a big launch just to get your name out there in your niche. You make a big splash, people take notice. When people were sending off for my last launch, my name was coming across people's inboxes multiple ways. I was getting a ton of new people that never heard of me before. Even Liz tying in with me on this launch. A lot of people had never heard of Liz before. People were commenting on my blog back and forth. Yeah, Jeff and Liz, just because we were giving away our coaching for a year, so they actually thought she was part of this whole thing, and almost like it was branding her. You almost like you should be paying me for all that advertising I gave you.
How about we just call it even?
Okay.
For everything you've stolen from me.
So I'll get into the whole product launch. Why don't we just take a 5-minute break, and then once I'll load this up, we'll get started. Thanks, guys.